Sadly, the worst case scenario that no one hoped would come. Just hours after Largo police announced they had found the body of 2-year-old Jordan Belliveau, they said they had arrested 21-year-old Cherise Stinson, that boy's mother, and charged her with first-degree murder. Tonight, family, friends, and members of the community who spent days searching for that little boy are devastated. Through tears and anger, this group is vowing to get justice.
We're going to pray that God will bring peace in this situation and justice.
Just moments earlier, they learned that 2-year-old Jordan Belliveau's small body was found in this wooded area near McMullen Road and Lake Avenue in Largo. The horrible news for the child's grandmother brought her to the ground. By nightfall, Largo Police Chief Jeff Understad announced they had made an arrest.
As a result of this team's efforts, I'm proud to announce the arrest of Cherise Stinson, black female, 4/9/1997, for the charge of first-degree murder in the death of her son.
Our cameras were rolling as Largo police loaded Stinson into a car and drove her to the Pinellas County Jail. For days, police and members of the community searched high and low, going by a story provided by Stinson. She claimed she was walking with Jordan Saturday night when a man named Antoine offered them a ride. She claimed they got in, he hit her, knocked her out, and she woke up 4 hours later in Largo Central Park without Jordan. Police say that was a lie. There's no Antoine, just a mother responsible for her son's death.
I never got a chance to hold him, hug him, kiss him, tell him how much I love him. And now he's gone.
While the discovery was heartbreaking, the news of the arrest sadly did not come as a surprise to the child's uncle.
Okay. Charged with first-degree murder. She's been arrested now.
Thank you, God. Thank you. Now that I know it's justice.
As he gathers his own emotions, he has a message for all parents.
I just want everybody in the community to keep a hold of your kids. We got justice.
A tragic ending to days of hopeful searching for this little boy, and tonight his mother charged in his death. We expect to learn much more from police in the coming days as they continue to piece together this case, how and why it happened. That boy's uncle tells us he is planning a community vigil tomorrow at 5 p.m. at the Highland Rec Center in memory of Jordan Belliveau.